And this is a tribute. 20021. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. We're going to find out who gets the reds. All right, 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is the Dodgers. 5 times the Dodgers on top. Just like Magda dodges a shower. Timmy G. Object Blaster is down to 5 left, just like the Rushmore is down to 5 left, actually. Funnily enough. Alright, here we go. This is just a tribute. You gotta believe me. Tony Gwynn. And Ronald Acuna Jr. to 99 for the Atlanta Braves. And a Randy Johnson. Wow, this is hella thick, whatever it is. Oh, it's an extra card now. Clayton Kershaw, Spacer. Tyler SodaStream for the Oakland Athletics. And to 25, Ozzy Albies, also for the Atlanta Braves. Ryan Servo. More Braves than a redhead cosplay convention. That's a very good joke. I hope you enjoyed it. Ernie Banks. Auto for the Atlanta Braves at 20. They're taking the piss here. Who's got it? No one. Ashley Quinn, congratulations. 2 of 25, Matt Olson. And Bojack for the Royals. Shohei, Dodgers gear, Shohei. And a Jewel for the Royals, 150, Brett and Witt. Bobby Witt, George Brett, Christian Yelich. Jackie Robinson. Auto for the Orioles to 109, Colton Cowser. And a Clemente, Roberto Clemente for the Pirates to 99. Mark McGuire, Joel, Pedroia and Ortiz to 50. Roberto Clemente for the Pirates. J-Rod. And an auto for the Dodgers to 109, Kenny Lofton. Maybe. Nolan Ryan for the Rangers. Yogi Berra. Numbered to just 10 for the Diamondbacks. Good day to be a team starting with A. Jordan Lawler. 80%. And a Jazz Chisholm for the Marlins. Nice little J-Law there. This one also quite thick. I wonder if it's 4 cards. It is. Satchel Paige. Christian Encarnacion Strand for the Cincinnati Reds. And to 150, Vladdy Jr. for the Toronto Blue Jays. Wait. No, wait. Never mind. Ignore. Get a call. Ignore me. Miggy Cabrera. And Lou Bob Jr. to 150 for the Chicago White Sox. Mike Schmidt for the Phillies. The Schmidt list. Is that a thing? Ted Williams. George Brett for the Royals at 25. Game used memorabilia with the nice on-card auto. Oh, really? That's hectic. Lou Bob to 75. Larkin. Andrew Abbott for the Reds to 25, rookie. And Adley Richmond base, and that is tribute 20021. Oh, that's hectic. Be pretty crazy if we got them both in the first 2 boxes of a brand new case. That's so Blake coded though.